Pets bring so much joy and unconditional love into our lives. And when they're gone, the memories we share with them remain in our hearts. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Garden Profiler. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful way to honor our pet's memory. We are creating a pet tribute garden. Whether it's a small pot on your balcony, a cozy corner in your yard, or a large garden space, these gardens can serve as a lasting reminder of the special bond you shared. Before we dive in, I want to thank all my wonderful subscribers for supporting the Garden Profiler. Your comments and stories inspire me every day. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join us on this journey of legacy gardening. Creating a pet tribute garden is about more than just the plants. It's about creating a space to celebrate the joy and love your pet brought into your life. These gardens can be comforting, a quiet place to reflect, or even a way to involve family and friends in remembering your pet. They can be as small as a single potted plant or as large as a dedicated corner in your garden. The important thing is that it feels meaningful to you. Now let's talk about how to make your pet tribute garden unique and personal. First, think about the plants you want to put in your tribute garden. Choose flowers or greenery that remind you of your pet. For example, forget-me-nots symbolize remembrance, while sunflowers represent happiness, and lavender offers peace and tranquility. If you need more plant inspirations, I've compiled a list of plants and their meanings, so you can download the full list from the link in the description below. You can also add personal touches that reflect your pet's personality. For instance, you might include your pet's favorite toy as part of the garden decor, or place it in a small protected spot in the garden. These little details make the space truly special. And let's not forget about the layout. You might create a small garden path leading to a quiet bench, or arrange potted plants in a way that feels welcoming and peaceful. Starting a pet tribute garden doesn't have to be complicated. Begin by choosing a location. If you don't have an outdoor space, potted plants are a fantastic option. They're portable and can even move with you if needed. Next, think about sustainability. Use eco-friendly planters and consider incorporating recycled materials for decorations. And don't forget maintenance. Select plants that thrive in your local climate to keep your garden blooming. A pet tribute garden It's a beautiful way to honor the bond you shared with your pet. Whether it's through flowers, decorative touches, or simply a quiet space to reflect. It's a lasting reminder of their place in your heart. If this inspired you, let me know in the comments. Share your ideas or stories about how you've celebrated your pets. Or tag me using #mygardenlegacy. And don't forget to subscribe to the Garden Profiler for more episodes in this Legacy Gardening series. Use this QR code to get my full list of plants and their meanings. Let's grow something meaningful together. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.